In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings in Zoho CRM. Whether you're managing transactions globally or just need to adjust to a different currency for business purposes, knowing how to customize currency settings is crucial. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account. Now, make sure you're using an administrator account, as access to certain settings that we'll be adjusting requires administrator privileges. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find your way to the setup area, which you'll find as a gear icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that, and you'll see numerous options available. Within the setup menu, you'll want to look for something under either General or Organization Settings. The option you're aiming for is called Company Settings, or it might be labeled as Company Details. This section is the central hub for managing a variety of company-specific configurations in Zoho CRM. Once you're in the Company Settings section, you'll find a tab labeled Currencies. This is where the magic happens in terms of managing your currency settings. Now that you've navigated to the Currencies tab, it's time to set your home or base currency. This step is important because the home currency serves as the default currency when no other is specified during transactions. You'll notice a drop-down menu here, which lists various currencies available for you to choose from. Your default might be set to USD, but feel free to change it to any currency that suits your business needs. Once you've selected your desired home currency, there are still a few more customization options available to ensure that the presentation of the currency fits your preferences. Here, you're able to customize the appearance of your currency format. This includes options like symbol placement, choosing the appropriate thousand separator, and defining the number of decimal places you want. You can also specify the decimal separator, whether you prefer a period or a comma. These customizations can really help match your standard business practices and enhance readability. After setting everything up to your liking, it's crucial not to forget the final step, saving your changes. Look for the Confirm or Save button, which locks in all those adjustments you've made to the currency settings. Ensuring you've clicked it is necessary so that none of your configurations get lost. And that wraps up our tutorial on changing currency settings in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you can manage your financial data effectively, no matter how international your operations are. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help simplify your CRM management tasks.